Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to go over our new Y2 sprinkler soaking hose. So we got the 25-foot long Y2 sprinkler soaker hose, and we plan on trying to hook it up real quick, show you guys how to hook it up, show you guys it in work, and give you an honest review about it. So right here, we just attach it right on real quick. I believe where the white line is showing is where the water will come out. So we're gonna try. So guys, it's nothing crazy, but as you can see, it's working. I don't know if you guys can see the dripples, but it's, you know, a very light mist of water. Oh, extra water over here, got an extra hose over there. But a nice light mist to go over all the plants. So this kind of works perfect because instead of trying to, put it over, you might just be able to put it just right in the middle between the two plants and get everything nice and soaked up good. So this is our review of the Y2 soaker. You know, if you're looking to get one, something light, something easy to just plug and play, this is something you can definitely use. Water up your plants real good, as you can see here, and get everything that you need.